Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. For all of you who have been following us from, when was it, January, through the series on miracles, signs, and wonders, God bless you. And I hope say, no, una faith strong like lion. Yeah, because we need strong faith in these hard times. Now, today we're starting a new series, and it's a series on parables, because we need for open our ears for really hear something them where Jesus did a teach about the kingdom. All right, so if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now and drop a comment below and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 10 to verse 17. Then Jesus' special follower them come said to him, say, what make you chat to them? I use Tory, we sound like wriggle. Jesus say, uno get the chance to know the secret something them about God kingdom, but not them. Cause anybody will understand the secret something them about God kingdom, God are gonna make them understand more. But anybody will not understand all the little where them did understand, God I go take with that from them. And that make me use Tory with sound like wriggle. So even though they can see, them not see a thing. And even though them can hear, them not hear nothing. And they not understand not even one sitting neither. So what God did make Isaiah say, them people make it come true. Isaiah did say, "Unu will listen good, but unu will never understand. Unu will look hard, but still unu nah go see it. Cause them people get tough and they can't learn nothing. Them hard is and they lock up too. So they can't see nothing with their eye, and they can't hear nothing with their ears, and then heart not understand nothing neither. Or they would have turned to me, and me would have saved them. But God bless full eye and ears them, cause they see and hear. Cause me I tell you this, and I true me they talk. Enough prophet and people we do right, they do well want to see what unu see and hear what unu hear, but they may see or hear it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.